Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate captions by using Canva very easily. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need some video for which we want to add the caption. So I already have a video, so I'm going to add that video over here and it will be imported very shortly. And if we try to play, we'll hear some voices there, but I'm not going to play over there. So still now it is uploading. Once the upload is finished, we can start working on top of this video to generate the caption. At first we need to select the video or like the clip, or if you want to choose multiple clips, you can also do the same thing. So once you select the clip, then we have to come to the text. We need to click here and text window will be appeared. From here we have to choose captions. So I'm going to click here and then it will bring this top menu. So right now only one video clip is there, that's why it is showing only one. If you have multiple videos, you need to select all of them one by one, or you can also select particular videos to generate the caption. Now we need to press this button, generate captions. So I'm going to click here and then very shortly it will generate captions and you will see over there, and here it is the text. So if you play it here, now we'll see it is saying hello, this is a test. Let's see how it is working. It is working properly. Let's modify that caption a little bit. We can also animate that thing. So for that we need to select this text. This canvas, there is some menus. We need to click animate and the animation panel window will be opened. Now there are different options are there. This is captions. It is mentioning that this is for caption, and then these are the styles we can use. This is reveal, highlight, snake. So there are different options are there. You can also choose other options also. You can choose any option. So I'm going to choose this highlight one, which is very common and trendy thing right now. If we open very like some YouTube short or a TikTok short, we generally see that people are telling like this way. So I'm going to click highlight and see how it is working. So now we need to choose the color. Right now it is black and the skin is also black, that's why it is not able to visible as properly. So what we need to do, we need to click here and then we are going to choose on color. For example, I'm going to choose dark red, so I'm going to choose red and I'm going to choose dark color red. So this is dark color red, like that, or we can make it like this. Okay, so now we choose the color and then we can also put the intensity like that. Now if we try to play it, we'll see that it is applying properly. See here, it is working properly. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily add caption and also animate those things using Canva very easily. Thank you for watching the video.